Hi, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making sweet potato biscuits. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a cup of sweet potato that I baked in the oven until it was nice and soft. I'm going to get it in here. I have a tablespoon of melted butter. Let me see. Just wanted to get it in there. Get in there. I have 1 egg that I've beaten. And I have 1/4 cup of sugar. And I'm going to just beat this until it's nice and creamy. Ooh, what the? Let me take care of this, y'all. It malfunctioned on me, but we got the job done. And it's nice and creamy. See? I'm going to set this aside. Okay, I have 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And I'm just going to mix it together. A couple seconds. And now I'm going to sift it. Hate making a mess. We're just going to get this all sifted. This is the last little bit. Makes it nice and soft. All right. I have 1/2 cup of Kresta shortening. And while you're watching this video, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know I appreciate you being here, and I'll appreciate you even more if you thumbs up this video. Share it. Write me a comment. Get in there. Alright. And I'm going to cut this shortening into this flour. Until it gets nice and crumbly. So that's cut up pretty good. Get it mixed in there really well. We're going to do the rest of the mixing with our hands. And I'm going to add my 1 cup of potatoes. Remember the mixture I made in the beginning? Yep. Get in there. And I have 1 cup of whole milk. Get it on in there. Get that started. You want to get it to come together like a dough. Let's get it out on this pan so we can finish. kind of sticky right now, but it'll come together. Mm-hmm. Put a little flour up here. Dough fingers. I'm going to have to keep adding flour until it comes together like a dough. Mm-hmm. Dough fingers. So you can roll it out if you want to. Excuse me. I'm just going to do it with my hands. You don't want it too thin, you don't want it too thick. About like so. Sprinkle a little more on top. Okay. I need my cutter, which I have somewhere. Cutter. I know we're not gonna eat all of these, and you can freeze them. I can't tell you exactly how long they'll keep, but I know that you can freeze them. And so we're going here. See the thickness that I have them? You can almost see the layers. Mm-hmm. You know, we're going to, I have my oven heating up for 400 degrees. I usually have it ready, but wasn't ready this time. We're going to take the dough that we have left and we're going to roll them out, roll more out until we've used all of it. We don't want to waste any. No. Waste not, want not. Okay, I'm going to roll the rest of this out. After the oven has come up to temp, I'm going to bake these for about 20-25 minutes. Scoot over. There we go. Get one more up in there. Okay, we're going into the oven. That's been 20 minutes making these. Let's take one out so you can see. Nice and brown. Look, to see how. But anyway, so here I've made some cinnamon brown sugar butter, and it is what I just said it was. It's sugar. I mean, it's brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. You just mix it together and make it delicious. Let's add some of this Just a little bit. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Yeah. I'm going to take a bite for you. Mmm, mmm, mmm. It's really delicious. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Like I said, you can freeze them and eat them later. I wouldn't keep them there like months and months. But I think they would be good for about a month or so. Anyways, thank you for watching. And remember to pray. And then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead. Do it right now. Subscribe and tap that bell. If you haven't. If you have, thank you. And if you haven't, thank you so much. Well, share with your friends and family. This is good. Really, it is. And comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, I'm a little clumsy today. And until next time, I want you to stay safe, stay well, and stay blessed. And remember that I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Bite this. I'm going to eat this right here. Make you some. Don't forget to make you the butter. It's delicious too. Later.